subscribers. I'm at 460.
Nice.
Hey, someone gave me John Rice wheels for
Oh,
free.
nice.
They're 30 wide, so they rub a little bit. See?
Wow.
But it's all right. Brand new.
Brand new.
For his scooters. They're like $80 wheels.
Let me get back on that.
Nose heavy. That's terrible.
It's better than any attempt I'm gonna get.
Hey, you could land it. You don't know.
Oh, I leaned back so much. This try right here. Oh, that was so sketchy.
That was so sketchy, but it worked. I was like, dude,
There is no way that was gonna work.
your toe and somehow went under it. And you caught
Wow.
it. Like, it was doing like this. Pretty much. Like, stuck with the scooting your hand in.
I'll have to clean that up now.
Oh, that was so cool.
Hey, I got it. There it was.
Oh, let's go, I got it.
Back to back.
I got it. There.
We got back to back.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I barely got through the window. I was like, I was like, oh, and then I just dropped in.
Yes. Yeah, you got that. Whoa! Oh.
Alright, me too.
Well, see ya.